After encouraging people to drink bleach to cure COVID 19, President Trump has a new idea. How about try a new vaccine type that has never been approved by the FDA because of high risk of short and long term complications? How about get a vaccine made by a company that has never written a scientific paper or made any vaccines before? How about dump all standard guidelines and use US military to inject this experimental and potentially fatal messenger RNA vaccine into 332 million Americans? 2013, Moderna has been led by French businessman Bancel as chief executive officer. Bancel has been described as having a highly secretive approach to Moderna and of being a tough operator. In September 2018, Thrillist published an article, Why This Secretive Tech Startup Could Be the Next Theranos. The article raised concerns about Moderna's reputation for secrecy and the absence of scientific validation or independent peer review of its research, despite having the highest valuation of any US private biotech at over $5 billion. When a former Moderna scientist was interviewed, he said, "It's a case of the emperor's new clothes. They're running an investment firm, and then hopefully it also develops a drug that is successful." In December of 2018, Moderna became the largest biotech initial public offering in history, raising $621 million on the NASDAQ and implying an overall evaluation of $7.5 billion for the entire company just because of its messenger RNA. Despite never having worked with RNA before, Stat noted that Bancel is listed as a co-inventor on more than 100 of Moderna's early patent applications, which is unusual for a CEO who is not even a PhD scientist. In May 2020, board member Dr. Monsef Salahi resigned from the company to become chief scientist for the Trump administration's Operation Warp Speed, a group designed to accelerate the development of a vaccine for the coronavirus. Salahi continued to hold over $10 million in stock options in the company in his new role, while the federal government invested over $400 million in the company to assist in coronavirus vaccine trials. Moderna platform develops messenger RNA therapeutic candidates which are delivered in liposomes using messenger RNA with modified uridine nucleosides to improve folding and translation efficiency, and messenger RNA drug candidates that are targeted to specific cell types. Messenger RNA vaccine work is considered risky, and the main pharmaceutical companies abandon their messenger RNA development because of dangerous side effects that can arise in getting the RNA into the living cell. As of May 2020, no RNA or RNA vaccine has ever been approved for use in humans. In 2020, after releasing partial and non-peer-reviewed results from the effects of a preliminary early-stage human trial direct to stock markets, the CEO announced on CNBC an immediate $1.25 billion rights issue to raise funds for the company at a $30 billion valuation. President Trump has no clue what is he doing here. Supreme Court must petition Moderna over its lack of transparency and production of vaccines using a non-approved technique of messenger RNA. Otherwise, the president who thinks that bleach can kill COVID-19 will end up killing 332 million Americans through this controversial and unapproved vaccine technique. No one was even interested in using Moderna's messenger RNA till COVID-19 hit the world, being allowed to spread freely for months by all regulatory bodies.